Hi, so Charlie giving you Friday's live trading, and I hope you're very well. It is just after 7:30 in the morning. I'm just looking at the charts at the moment. There's not too much going on right now, so I've got an idea or two, but the markets have been fairly subdued overnight. So which means that their hourly charts there's no momentum to speak of for me to look at. So we might have to wait a little bit to get an idea, but I'll press pause for now and we'll see. Choppy range. Hi, okay, so I'm just back. I'm going to go long euro dollar here, so 4 units. I'm going to get my units in. It's going to be a tight stop because I'm trying to trade this as we're to see if we're going to break out here. We've just hit the little 8 a.m. pivot and the 5-minute 50, and we've been chopping around all that area. So just see if I can get my 4 units in. It's higher risk this trade, but it's early in the morning, so I'm giving it a go. I'm going to put my stop just down here, so around about 56 or so. So I'll just quickly get those stops done and I'll press pause. Let's see if I can get these done. Right. Oh, I'm still pressing play. Press pause. Okay, so let's bring up the deal tickets, do the usual, and bring the deal tickets up. And we'll see if this is going to break out, and if it's not, it's going to be over very quickly. Let's bring them over. Actually, you're not going to be able to see all of them all anyway. I'll just bring them up like this, on top of one another. And there we go. So we'll see if this can break out. It's within a range. It's a higher risk me going in like this. We've just hit a pivot. We hit this 5-minute 50, although we've been chopping around it anyway. But we have got some positive momentum behind us on the upside on the hourly charts. So I'm just seeing if we can actually break out of this. If not, I'm going to take about a 10 pip loss there. So we'll see how it's going to work out. So 68. Sorry, it's a little bit more. It's about 11 pips stop loss. I'll press pause for now. Okay, just back. Euro's breaking up a little bit. Just going to start moving the stop up a little bit. So I'm going to move the stop up to about 59 here, just below these lows here at the moment. My first target's up at, we've got an hourly 200, up at around about 90 to 92. So I'll be looking at that as a first target. But at the moment, just going to move that stop up to 59. So guys, again, I'm trading this on a Friday with the guys in the trading room as well, so they're watching everything as it's happening. It's interesting actually, because someone in the trading room who's a new member to the room said last week, "Blimey, Charlie, I didn't realise how much work goes into doing your videos, because obviously when you're just watching them on a Friday, you just get to see the end result, which is lots of pauses, but I just hit pause all the time when nothing's happening or don't need to say anything, and so of course you don't see that it might have taken me hours and hours of just watching the markets to actually get to a point where the video is finished, because you just get it. I just pause it and play and everything else. So yeah, a lot of effort does go into these, in that I have to press pause and wait around for another hour or whatever it might be. Anyway, I'm just going to change these stops. I'll press pause for now. Okay, just back, and you can see it's coming up a bit more now. So I'm going to trowel the stops up to 65 now today. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to be showing my account today. I'll show you the P&Ls on all of these and take screenshots for you as and when this is over. Can't show the account. I'm in some swing trades, so I can't show you those because we're too close to the price action at the moment on those swing trades, I think. So I can't actually bring the account up this morning. But I'll obviously always show you the screenshots, and you can see all the deal tickets of how much I'm making and losing and stuff. So, but for now, I'm just going to move these stops up to about 65. So we're literally going to be at a point where, really any loss now, if it was to roll all the way back over, would be minimal. So 65 for now on the stops. Okay, just back. So we're getting close. That first target's up at 90, just ahead of the actual moving average. So put it in just ahead of it. So we're literally just a few pips above it. I'm just doing a couple of bits at the moment, making the tea for the Minister for Home Affairs, and so I've put a limit order in to close half if we do get to 90, 112.90. So I've got a limit order in for that. So I'll just press pause for now, and we'll see if that's going to hit. Okay, so just back, so it's still sitting just underneath. We're just waiting to see if we can get this half. It'll be what, 20 something pips, 23 pips or so if we can get to this half point. I mean, what I'll do is I'll move the stop up to 70 anyway, so whatever happens I can't lose on the trade. So I'm going to move that stop up to 70. So guys, move your stops to 70 if you want to. That's what I'm going to be doing here. So whatever happens I can't lose on the trade. So let's see if this can take it out whilst I've got the recording going. We've got 1 pip to go, half a pip to go. Can it do it? There, it's there. Done it. Right, half hit. So whatever happens now, can't lose on the trade. So half profits taken up. Looks like about £500 in total, so about $700 odd at the moment. So half target's just been hit. But there's more to go. So I'll press pause for a minute. Okay, just back. We're still tracking up actually. We're just, as you can see here, we're getting closer towards my next target, which is the hourly 50 MA. And so if we can get up to that hourly 50, then I'll take another unit off. What I will do at the moment though is move that stop up, trail that stop up to 75, so we're locking in gains on the remainder anyway. So I'm moving this stop up to 75. But overall, I haven't looked at the P&L at the moment. Up about 2, 4, 5, 6, about just under £700 at the moment, so just over $1,000 at the moment. But it's meaningless until the trade completes. So at the moment, I'll move the stop up to about 75 here. Okay, just back. I've put orders in at 05 because I'm going to be going off soon. I didn't think we were going to be coming up now, but I've got an order in at 05 to bank the next profit. So I'll just notice it coming up a bit there. 05, and it will take that one out. So we'll see what happens there. Okay, we're getting really close here to that next target. Oh, it's hit. It's hit. Yeah, it's hit. So 05, just taken that next profit for, what's that, 30 pips. 30 pips? No, 40 pips, blimey, 40 pips for that next target. So we've just hit that next level on the euro dollar. Okay, see you later. So I'll just press pause and then we'll just do another review. I want to see, so it's just ahead of that hourly 50, really at 05. I wasn't expecting it to go up because I'm going to be going to the gym in a minute. So I'd put that limit order in, but ultimately I'm still looking to see if the euro can get up to 113.38 is my very next target. So I'll press pause for a second. Right, so just back. So this is where we are at the moment. So I'll just take a quick screenshot because I can't show the whole account today. Actually, I can show all of that. Let's just I'll tell you what I can do, actually. Let's see if I can work this. Oh, no, I can't. Yeah, screenshot. Let's see if I can get this working this time. It doesn't really matter now, so I can show the euro trades because I actually am in another euro trade. So here's the screenshot of these trades this morning. So we got long at 67 and 68. That was those 4 entries here. I had another entry from last night. I didn't want to go through that early this morning because that's a swing trade. And these were the exits. Those took half at 12.90, and then we've just taken that quarter off at 113.05, and still sitting in this remainder with the target there at 113.38. So that's where we are so far. So on the day trades today, so 200, 400, 500, 600, 700 odd pounds so far. And we'll see how that goes whilst I'm out. I'm heading off to the gym shortly, so it may be that I'm not going to come back on the mic now for a couple of hours, so I'll press pause for now. Right, just back. So I have been trading stops out on this remainder of this euro position from this morning. So got trading stopped out there at 79. So we had that nice run. Yeah, we had that good run. Got up to 1300 or so, 113. Sorry. Didn't quite get as far as I would have liked, so it's pulled back. It could still want to go up again later. We'll have to see. So I'm going to press pause for now. We're only 9 minutes into this recording, so I'm going to press pause and see if maybe this afternoon there's another trade on. So if not, then I'll call this a wrap. But for now, I'll just press pause. Oh, sorry. One thing I haven't done is gone through the actual P&L, have I? Have to go through that. So let's bring it all up. So let's see what we've we're at. So it was, ignore this one because this one's that swing that's still sitting there, although the stop's been trailed up anyway. So so it was 2, 3, 4, 5, 550 or so. Looks like a bit more than that, isn't it? Towards 600, I guess. 2, 3, 4, 480, 490, 520, 30. Yeah, just about nearly 600. So just off £600 this morning. So just over $1,000. But we'll see what happens here this afternoon. This potential. I'm wondering whether the euro just rolls over this afternoon completely. We'll have to see. If it does, then there's some downside targets there maybe. So I'm going to have a look at that as well. So it's going to be interesting actually to see what happens here this afternoon. So we'll press pause now. Okay, just back, and it's now 1:45. I think we'll call it a day. There's nothing too much going on here at the moment, so we'll call it a day. So let's bring up the trade tally for the day. It was those 4 units from this morning, which totaled, it was £600. But this little swing that I was in got trading stopped out as well at 63 while I was out this morning. So it was 700 in total, but that I can't include that. So £600 of on the trade this morning. So decent morning, about $1,000 this morning on that trade. So enjoy your weekends. For those of you in the UK, enjoy your bank holiday weekends, and we'll be back in touch